Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you the exercise of working of the constitution, because you are writing the answers of the questions in paragraph form, but for the good scoring we have to expect the answers in the point format, and that's why you have I'm just telling to you. एंड फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ दैट एक ही यही लेसन के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ. इसके बाद में जो भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आप लिखोगे पॉइंट फॉर्म में लिखना है. इट इज़ अ एग्जाम्पल जस्ट. ओके, सो वर्किंग ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, फॉर्म द गिवन ऑप्शन एंड कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस. एक एक मार्क्स के लिए आता है. नंबर 1, इन महाराष्ट्र डैश सीट्स आर रिजर्व फॉर द वुमन इन लोकल सेल्फ गवर्निंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस, एंड द आंसर इज डी 50%. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लॉज क्रिएटेड अ फेवरेबल एनवायरमेंट फॉर वुमन टू सिक्योर फ्रीडम डैश एंड सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट, एंड द आंसर इज बी डाउरी प्रोहिबिशन एक्ट. थर्ड, द इसेंस ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी इज डैश, and the answer is B, decentralization of power. Next question, state whether the following statements are true or false. और चाहिए था वहाँ पर. give reasons for your answers. यहाँ पर हर एक आंसर आप जो भी ट्रू दो आंसर दोगे या फिर फॉल्स दोगे उसका आपको रीज़न देना पड़ता है. सो नंबर 1, इंडियन डेमोक्रेसी इज़ कंसिडर्ड द लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी इन द वर्ल्ड. Answer is the above sentence is true. Reasons: number 1, the Indian constitution has given the provision of right to vote for adults. Number 2, the Indian constitution guaranteed adult suffrage by giving the right to vote equally to the men and women above the age of 21 years. Number 3 is the voting age later reduced from 21 to 18, which gave opportunity of political participation to the young generation in India. And number 4, such provisions have made India the largest democracy in the world. Number 2, secrecy in the working of government has increased due to the right to information. Above sentence is false, and the reasons are: the government of India gave the right to information to the citizens of India to ensure the transparency and accountability, which are hallmarks of good governance. And second is, right to information has made the government more transparent and has reduced the element of secrecy in the working government. Next is the nature of the constitution is seen as a living document, and answer is the above sentence is true. Reasons: the Constitution of India is dynamic. The Constitution has to change according to the changing conditions, and Parliament has the power to make those changes. In judiciary has also accepted. The judiciary states that the Parliament, while amending the Constitution, cannot alter the basic structure of the Constitution. And fourth is, it is a living document. Next is question number 3, write short notes, and in that first is provisions regarding minorities. Answer is, the Indian Constitution has made several provisions for protection of minorities. The government provides the minorities opportunities for education and employment. The Indian Constitution prohibits discrimination on the basis of caste, religion, race, language and region. And number 4, all these provisions for minorities protects their right to equality, freedom, right against exploitation, and cultural and educational rights. Next is policy of reservation of seats. In that you have to write, policy of reservation to seats is meant for those sections of society who have been deprived of the opportunities for education and employment for a long period of time. Second, accordingly, in educational institutions and in government services, some seats are kept reserved for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Third question is women representation in the Lok Sabha. In that, in our country, from the very beginning, women have inadequate representation in politics and political institutions. Many countries in the world have made efforts to increase representation of women. Third point is the 73rd and 74th Amendment reserved 33% of seats for women in a local self-governing institutions. And fourth is the percentage has been raised to 50% in several states including Maharashtra. Question number 4. Explain the following concepts. In that, a right-based approach. In the decades after independence, progress was made towards more and more democratization of India. Citizens were considered as a beneficiaries, and third is development is considered as a right of citizens, and second is right to information. In that, you have to write the government of India gave the right to information to the citizen of India to ensure transparency and accountability, which are the hallmarks of good governance. And second is right to information has made the government more transparent and has reduced the element of secrecy in the working of government. Question number 5. Answer the following questions, and the first one is, what are the effects of reducing the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? And the answer is, the voting age was reduced from 21 to 18, which gave opportunity of political participation to the young generation in India. Such provisions have made India the largest democracy in the world. This change is not only quantitative but also qualitative, as new political parties are emerging with the active support of young voters. Fourth one is, these parties represent various expectations of people to compete in the political sphere. Second question, what is meant by the establishment of social justice? In that, you have to write social justice and equality are important objectives of our constitution. The principles, वहाँ पर द चाहिए. The principles of social justice aims at ending discrimination in social status such as superior or inferior on the basis of caste, religion, language and gender, place of birth, race, property, and giving equality of opportunity for development of to every individual. Next one is, it is a last question, and in that some part is blur, जो कि सही नहीं दिख रहा है, तो आपको सुनना है. मैं पढ़ूंगी तो आपको सुनना है. ओके. The right to have an equal share. The right to have an equal share in the property of the father and husband. Dowry Prohibition Act, Act Against Sexual Harassment, Domestic Violence Prohibition Act are some important provisions in which create a favorable environment for protection of the freedom of women and securing their development. These decisions of court have resulted in the protection of honor and dignity to women, which act for the protection of women against the domestic violence is an important step in the direction of democracy. This act underlines the need to protect the dignity and self-esteem of women. Here we stop today. Thank you.